Welcome back to the TI Squared AI training series. I'm Deanne Thompson from TI Squared, also known as the Technology Integration and Innovation Department. We've all seen students struggle when they encounter high-level academic vocabulary, those complex terms that are hard to grasp through text alone. Today, we are going to explore how AI can help students clear their plate of that confusion by turning abstract words into concrete visuals. I'll show you how students can use Adobe Express to visualize and discuss new concepts, giving them an immediate win in their learning journey. Before we dive in, remember one of our AI guiding principles. Teachers always guide and support appropriate student use. In your classroom, you'll use the AI student signal to set the stage. For this activity, you'd move your signal to on, letting students know that AI is an approved tool for brainstorming and visualizing vocabulary words in this specific lesson. This transparency ensures that students stay focused and responsible while they explore. Don't forget that you have access to the Guiding Students' Use of AI gem that you can refer back to as needed. Now that you're ready to learn how to use AI for vocabulary, let's take a look at using Adobe Express, which is a district-recommended tool that is safe for student use. We'll begin by clicking on Adobe Express from Class Link. For this demonstration, let's look at the vocabulary word weathering. Instead of just reading a definition, a student can prompt the AI to generate a visual representation. A simple prompt may be, show a big rock breaking into small pieces. AI will then build suggested images for the user. If the first result isn't quite right, students can add descriptive words to get closer to the concept. Notice how I model refining the prompt to include more description. Users can continue to edit the prompt until the image fits their needs. Once a student is happy with the image, they can click on Open in Editor and have access to all of the Adobe Express tools. They can even generate a new image if needed. Once a student is happy with their image, they can click the Download button to download to their device, or click Share to share directly with the person or with a view-only link. If a teacher has created an assignment with Adobe Express in Canvas, they will see a Turn-In button in the top right-hand corner of their screen. To begin, type Start. Then you will be prompted to enter your grade level that you teach and the subject that you teach. Then you will just follow the prompts of the gem. It's going to begin by asking you what vocabulary word you want to focus on. Then it's going to ask you if you have a definition already in mind or if you would like AI to generate that for you. Your choice. From there, it's going to walk you through how to access Adobe Express for your students. And then if you needed a prompt for your students, you can leverage AI for that. So maybe you already have a sentence stem for your students to use, or you would like AI to help you. Again, your choice. Then you have the option of how are you going to have your students explain that? How are you going to get feedback for them so they know they're on the right track? And then once you have that done, if you want to continue on with using the Guiding Students' Use of AI gem, you can go back and reference that. Or if you're ready to take those steps and put into the Lesson Planner gem, you can do that as well. Now it's your turn. Pick a challenging vocabulary word from an upcoming unit and try generating a visual in Adobe Express. As you do, think about the discussion questions you would ask your students, like how does this image represent the definition, or what details did the AI miss? This encourages students to be responsible for the accuracy of the output and deepens their connection to the word. Don't forget that you can leverage the guiding students' use of AI Gym as needed. Remember, you don't need to be an expert in every AI tool to make a difference. Success is simply finding one workflow, like this one, that helps your students unlock a new concept. Thank you for taking the time to learn how you can use Adobe Express to support vocabulary development in your classroom. In our next lesson, you will learn how to use Adobe Express to create visuals that empower student discourse and storytelling.